Buenas delay, Pepito. Little raindrops, oh where do you come from, you little drops of rain? Pitter patter down the window pane. They won't let me walk, and they won't let me play, and they won't let me go out of doors at all today. They put them on my playthings because you broke them all, and then they locked up all my bricks and took away my ball. Tell me, little raindrops, is that the way you play? Pitter patter, all the rainy day? They seem very naughty, but I've nothing else to do. But sit here at the window, I should like to play with you. The little raindrops cannot speak, but pitter pat means we can play on this side. Why can't you play on that? Thank you and goodbye.
Hi, this is Tupa and Grace Florita Pipito, your ultimate tita ng bayan. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share. Thank you!